Hey there, welcome to PE Media. I'm here to bring you some serious expertise in the world of Facebook and TikTok ads. Are you ready to dive into the powerful Facebook ad strategy, even if you're new to it or working with a limited budget? In today's video, we're going to unleash the secrets of low-budget Facebook ad strategy. We'll show you the step-by-step how to implement the campaign, target the right audiences, and structure your ads for maximum impact. Get ready to make every dollar count. With just $500 investment, you can see your returns skyrocketing into $2,500 or even $3,000. We're not wasting a single moment here. So let's jump right in and make it happen. We're not just talking small potatoes here, my friend. We were advised on over $200 million in ad spend across these platforms. Plus, we manage top-tier brands, including 6, 7, and 8-figure powerhouses, Fortune 500 companies, and even teach thousands of students how to rock their own marketing game. Oh, did I mention we have got a killer tracking company too? It's all about maximizing your ad success. Now let's dive into the campaign overview. In this ad account, we will invest around $461, and guess what? We have racked in a jaw-dropping $2,700 in return. That's a whopping 5.66 times return on ad spend. Can you believe it? When you're able to generate thousands of sales with just a few $100s in just a few days, the profit potential is off the charts. So buckle up and get ready to ride the wave of profitability. Oh, and don't forget to sign up at surge.com for some incredible insights and tools. So let's make it happen. Listen up, folks. This is where the magic happens. We're talking about a killer campaign setup that will blow your mind. Picture this. We start by building up a tribe of Instagram engagers, and then we hit them with some powerful retargeting. But wait, there's more. We take it up to the notch by creating lookalike audiences, expanding our reach like never before. This strategy is an absolute game changer, especially if you're in a clothing space or a selling product that thrives on Instagram promotion. Get ready for mind-blowing results. So let's get down to business. Open up your ads manager and hit that create campaign button. You'll be presented with a few options, but if your goal is to score sales, and who doesn't want that, then we're going on with the conversions objective. Traffic, that's for getting people to visit your site. Awareness, that's for spreading the word. We want those sales, my friends, and the conversion objective is where it's at. So buckle up, strap in, and get ready to witness some serious low-cost, high-return action. We're talking mind-boggling 7 times return on ad spend, even in the year 2023. This is your ticket to ad success. So let's dive right in and make those sales skyrocket. Listen up, my fellow marketers. It's time to get what you have been asking for: sales. And to make that happen, we need to optimize for sales objective. So hit that continue button, and if you see an option for Advantage Plus, go ahead and select manual. We want full control and the best possible settings, right? Now let's name this campaign testing, because we're about to unleash some serious ad experimentation. But hold on tight, because here's where the real magic begins. We're going to create multiple audiences that will rock your world. If you're ready to have an Instagram audience, those real views and engaged followers, you're in luck. You have done the hard work. So let's capitalize on it. We're going to create a high-quality audience using a little trick called lookalike. Trust me, it's pure gold. Let's take a real-life example. Imagine Secret Sevens with a whooping 39.2k followers on Instagram. Their posts are getting loads of engagement, 21k likes, 4k likes, 3k like, and 6k like. Now, here is where it gets exciting. We can retarget all that awesome traffic we have built up on our Instagram page. It's like hitting the jackpot of audiences. This audience is a sales generating machine, my friend. So here's what you do. Open up your ads manager, go to create new custom audience, and select your Instagram account. Create an audience of people who have engaged with your professional account in the past 365 days. Name it Instagram 365-day audience, because we're keeping it real and recent. But wait, there's more. Now it's time to create that powerful lookalike audience. Simply search for the Instagram audience, select it, and choose the 1% option. That's the cream of the top. the most qualified audience that closely resembled your engaged Instagram fans. Select your region, whether it's the United States, the UK, or whatever your market is. Hit that create audience button. Exciting, right? Here's the cherry on top. Start with a modest daily budget of $5 and watch the result pour in. This strategy has the potential to skyrocket your sales, but remember, structure is the key. So get ready to conquer the ad world with this energetic approach and watch those dollars roll in. Alright, listen up, fellow marketers. It's time to unleash the power of low-budget Facebook ads and witness mind-blowing results. Here's the deal. We're going to dive into the easy-peasy campaign setup that will have your sales skyrocketing. No need for fancy productions or big budgets. We're keeping it scrappy and super effective. First things first, let's talk about the magic of flat lay. Believe it or not, these simple images can generate insane results. You don't need models and extravagant setup. Just grab your product, lay it down on the floor, take a quick picture, and use Canva to remove the background. Voila! You got yourself a captivating flat lay that can drive 3 times, 5 times, and even 7 times return on ad spend. It's as simple as that. Keep them straightforward and engaging. For example, use a carousel format to showcase different variations of your clothing item. Write compelling copy like, "Are you looking for something new and exciting? Our stylish products are here to shake things up." Keep it simple, yet persuasive. Add a call to action like "Shop now" or "Grab yours" and watch the sales flood in. But wait, there's more. We're not just relying on flat lays. We're also leveraging the power of video. Grab your trusty iPhone and film a quick video on the product on the flat lay. It can be as basic as laying it on the concrete. Remember, no need for extravagance here. Then, add some catchy copy like, "Check out our new and improved hoodie and shirts," and include a clickable link below the video. Trust me, these simple videos can generate mind-boggling results. Now let's talk about audiences. If you already have an Instagram followers and engagement, it's a piece of cake. Create a lookalike audience based on that engagement. But hey, what if you're starting from scratch? No worries. We can target specific interests. For example, if you're selling clothing targeting interests like hoodie apparels or clothing, create multiple audiences that unique interests and set a daily budget of $5 for each. And here's the kicker. It's $500. You can see a 5 times, 6 times, even 7 times return on ad spend. Thousands of dollars flowing into your business. It's absolutely incredible, especially when you're just starting out. So there you have it, friends. A low-budget Facebook ad campaign that's super simple yet ridiculously effective. No need for fancy productions or big budgets. Just embrace the power of flat lays, captivating images, and engaging videos. These strategies have helped brands go from 0 to 6, even 7 figures in sales. The success stories are real, and you can be one of them. So my fellow marketers, get ready to rock the ad world, boost your sales, and reach your new heights of success. And that's a wrap, folks. We've just experienced the power of low-budget Facebook ads unleashed by BA Media. We have shown you how to rock the ad game without breaking the bank, and now it's your time to take action. Whether you're a small business owner or a setup entrepreneur or a marketing marvel looking to make big impact, our team at BA Media has got your back. We specialize in creating high-impact, low-budget Facebook ad campaigns that deliver trumping results. Don't let a limited budget hold you back from reaching your goals. With our expert strategies, you can stretch your every dollars and achieve mind-blowing results on your ad spend. It's time to level up your marketing game and make a splash on a digital world. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. I'll see you on the next one.